In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your investment gains and losses on Robinhood using your PC. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, keeping track of your returns is a fundamental part of managing your financial goals. So, let's walk through the process together step by step, and I'll explain what each part of your portfolio means, how to interpret your results, and what you can expect as your investments grow and change over time. First, make sure you have your computer or laptop handy. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the official Robinhood site. Once you're there, sign in securely with your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on Robinhood's main dashboard. Here you have access to an overview of your entire investment portfolio. Now, head over to the top right corner and click on the Account button. From the drop-down menu, select Investing. This is where you'll find a comprehensive summary of your investments. Take a look at your total return. It's displayed prominently and it represents the overall profit or loss across all the assets you hold in your portfolio. This number is one of the most important metrics on Robinhood. If the total return is positive, it means your investments are worth more than what you originally paid. If it's negative, your investments are currently worth less than your initial cost. If you're interested in seeing a more detailed breakdown, you can dive deeper into individual assets. Simply select any stock or exchange-traded fund or ETF that you own from your list. When you click on a specific asset, you'll see its individual total return. This tells you if you're up or down on that specific investment. It's important to compare each asset's total return because some stocks or ETFs may be performing better or worse than others in your portfolio. While you're reviewing an asset, don't forget to check the section labeled Today's Return. This shows you how much you've gained or lost just today. It's a great way to keep track of your daily fluctuations, especially if you're curious about how market news or events are impacting your investments in real time. For a record of all your past activity, such as the stocks you've bought or sold and any dividends you've received, click on the History section. This area provides a detailed log, so you can review your trading history and the timeline of your portfolio's growth over time. Remember, seeing positive numbers under total return means your money is working for you and you're making a profit. Negative numbers mean your investments have decreased in value. But it's important to note that these results can change from day to day based on how the market performs. Investment gains aren't guaranteed, and sometimes your portfolio can go up and down in value. So always keep this in mind as you track your progress. That's it for today's tutorial on tracking your gains and losses on Robinhood's PC platform. With these steps, you'll always know where you stand and can make informed decisions as you work towards your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your investing journey.